Welcome to Part 10 of our California DMV test prep series. Whether you're brushing up on your driving knowledge or gearing up to pass your test with confidence, we've got you covered. In this episode, we'll dive into more essential road rules, safety guidelines, and must-know tips to help you become a smarter and safer driver. So grab your notes, stay focused, and let's get started. Question 1. You should use your horn when A. Another vehicle is in your way. B. It may help prevent a collision. C. Another driver makes a mistake. The answer is B. It may help prevent a collision. Question 2. Placard abuse will result in A. Placard revocation only. B. Only a fine. C. Placard revocation, a fine and/or jail time. The answer is C. Placard revocation, a fine and/or jail time. Question 3. This sign means A. Slippery when wet. B. Stop sign ahead. C. No U-turn. The answer is A. Slippery when wet. Question 4. When driving at night, you should A. Always use your high beams. B. Look directly at the headlights of an oncoming vehicle. C. Increase your following distance. The answer is C. Increase your following distance. Question 5. On rainy, snowy, or foggy days, turn on your windshield wipers and use your headlights. A. On the high beam setting. B. So other drivers can see you. C. Only when driving on the freeway. The answer is B. So other drivers can see you. Question 6. If you approach a flashing red traffic light, you A. Are traveling in the wrong direction. B. Must treat the intersection as if it is controlled by a stop sign. C. May not proceed until it changes to green. The answer is B. Must treat the intersection as if it is controlled by a stop sign. Question 7. Flash your brake lights or turn on your emergency flashers if you A. Need to warn other drivers of a collision ahead. B. Are temporarily parked in a traffic lane to make delivery. C. Are backing out of a parking space. The answer is A. Need to warn other drivers of a collision ahead. Question 8. If you are feeling fatigued while driving, you should A. Increase your speed to reach your destination more quickly. B. Increase the volume of your radio. C. Find a safe parking area to take a short nap. The answer is C. Find a safe parking area to take a short nap. Question 9. You are driving on a one-way street. You may only turn left onto another one-way street if A. You increase your speed before the turn. B. Traffic on the street moves to the right. C. Traffic on the street moves to the left. The answer is C. Traffic on the street moves to the left. Question 10. When may you legally drive around or under a railroad crossing gate? A. Never. B. When you can see clearly in both directions. C. When the warning lights are not flashing. The answer is A. Never. Question 11. A U-turn is not permitted. A. In a parking lot. B. On or near any curve or hill. C. On a straight roadway with a clear view for 500 feet in both directions. The answer is B. On or near any curve or hill. Question 12. A diamond-shaped sign means A. Yield. B. Stop. C. Warning. The answer is C. Warning. Question 13. There are oncoming vehicles to your left and a row of parked vehicles to your right. You should steer A. Closer to the oncoming vehicles than the parked vehicles. B. Closer to the parked vehicles than the oncoming vehicles. C. A middle course between the oncoming and parked vehicles. The answer is C. A middle course between the oncoming and parked vehicles. Question 14. At a railroad crossing, you must A. Watch for vehicles that must stop at all railroad crossings, school buses, trucks carrying hazardous materials, etc. B. Watch for multiple trains. C. Both of the above. The answer is C. Both of the above. Question 15. Alcohol in any concentration is A. A stimulant. B. A depressant. C. Neither of the above. The answer is B. A depressant. Question 16. At intersections, crosswalks, and railroad crossings, you should always A. Stop, listen, and proceed cautiously. B. Look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming. C. Slowly pass vehicles that seem to be stopped for no reason. The answer is B. Look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming. Question 17. If your vehicle has a two-part safety belt system, you should A. Use only the lap belt. B. Use both the lap and shoulder belts. C. Use only the shoulder belt. The answer is B. Use both the lap and shoulder belts. Question 18. This sign indicates a colon. A. Railroad crossing. B. Pedestrian crossing. C. No passing zone. The answer is A. Railroad crossing. Question 19. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A. Vehicle in front of you moves to the right to let you pass. B. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. C. Yellow line next to the opposite side of the road is broken. The answer is B. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. Question 20. If pedestrians are illegally crossing in the middle of the street instead of in a crosswalk, you A. Must stop for them. B. Do not have to stop for them. C. Should honk your horn at them. The answer is A. Must stop for them. Question 21. You reach an intersection with stop signs on all four corners at the same time as the driver on your left. Who has the right of way? A. The driver on your left has the right of way. B. You have the right of way. C. Whoever is signaling to make a turn has the right of way. The answer is B. You have the right of way. Question 22. You must stop at the intersection ahead. Just before the intersection, you have to cross railroad tracks. You should stop before crossing the railroad tracks when A. There isn't room on the other side for you to completely cross the tracks. B. The crossing is located in a city or town with frequent train traffic. C. You are transporting 2 or more children in a passenger vehicle. The answer is A. There isn't room on the other side for you to completely cross the tracks. Question 23. You drive defensively when you A. Put 1 car length between you and the car ahead. B. Look only at the car in front of you while driving. C. Keep your eyes moving to look for possible hazards. The answer is C. Keep your eyes moving to look for possible hazards. Question 24. You must file a report of a traffic accident occurring in California when A. Your vehicle fails a smog test. B. You're involved in a collision and there is an injury. C. You change your insurance company. The answer is B. You are involved in a collision and there is an injury. Question 25. When can you drive in a bike lane? A. 30 minutes after sunset or 30 minutes before sunrise. B. On foggy days when visibility is low. C. 200 feet before making a turn. The answer is C. 200 feet before making a turn. Question 26. Which of these vehicles must always stop before crossing railroad tracks? A. Tank trucks with hazardous materials placards. B. Motorhomes or pickup trucks towing a boat trailer. C. Sport utility vehicles carrying 4 or more persons. The answer is A. Tank trucks with hazardous materials placards. Question 27. When driving on a slippery surface, such as snow or ice, A. Shift to a low gear before going down steep hills. B. Maintain traction by following other vehicles closely. C. Pump your brakes to keep them from freezing. The answer is A. Shift to a low gear before going down steep hills. Question 28. You are crossing an intersection and an emergency vehicle is approaching while using its siren and flashing lights. You should A. Stop immediately in the intersection until it passes. B. Pull to the right of the intersection and stop. C. Continue through the intersection, pull to the right, and stop. The answer is C. Continue through the intersection, pull to the right, and stop. Question 29. A large truck is ahead of you and is turning right onto a street with 2 lanes in each direction. The truck A. May complete its turn in either of the 2 lanes. B. May have to swing wide to complete the right turn. C. Must stay in the right lane at all times while turning. The answer is B. May have to swing wide to complete the right turn. Question 30. If a road is slippery, maintain a following distance that is A. No different than normal. B. Farther from the car ahead than normal. C. Closer to the car ahead than normal. The answer is B. Farther from the car ahead than normal. Question 31. This road sign means A. You are about to enter a one-way street from the wrong direction. B. U-turns are prohibited. C. You may proceed if the way is clear. The answer is A. You are about to enter a one-way street from the wrong direction. Question 32. If you have an argument with another person and you are angry, you should A. Loudly play the radio while driving so you won't think about your argument. B. Take a few minutes to cool off before driving. C. Drive on the interstate to let off steam. The answer is B. Take a few minutes to cool off before driving. Question 33. You can help keep the driver behind you a safe distance away from your vehicle by A. Driving 10 miles per hour faster than the car behind you. B. Driving 10 miles per hour slower than the car behind you. C. Maintaining a steady speed. The answer is C. Maintaining a steady speed. Question 34. A peace officer is signaling for you to drive to the edge of the roadway. You decide to ignore the officer's warning and flee the scene. You are guilty of a misdemeanor and can be punished by being A. Fined up to $1,000. B. Jailed in the county jail for not more than 1 year. C. Given a warning and a citation. The answer is B. Jailed in the county jail for not more than 1 year. Question 35. Animals may be transported in the back of a pickup truck only if A. The sides of the truck bed are at least 18 inches high. B. They are properly secured. C. The tailgate of the truck is closed. The answer is B. They are properly secured. Question 36. What is the benefit of a space cushion around your vehicle? A. Other drivers can cut in front of you, improving the flow of traffic. B. If another driver makes a mistake, you have time to react. C. It inflates to protect you from injury in the case of a collision. The answer is B. If another driver makes a mistake, you have time to react. That wraps up Part 10 of our California DMV test prep. You're now even closer to becoming a safe and confident driver. Keep practicing and revisiting these concepts to solidify your knowledge. Don't forget to check out our other parts for more essential tips and insights. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more driving content. Good luck on your test, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.